Sairam students. So one student, Nandini, you just keep on responding, okay? When I ask, so that I
Yes,
can
ma'am.
that you all are there. Okay. So now we have completed with the topic is, yeah, last period we have discussed that how the replication of the retrovirus takes place. So I want Pranjal to tell me that what are the steps involved in the replication of retrovirus. Then we'll start with the new topic, that is cancer. Okay, Pranjal, unmute your mic and tell. Not ready? Okay. So by the time now Aditya can start. Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
say the steps involved. Okay, sound problem Pranjal is having. Aditya. Aditya not able to hear,
Ma'am,
not audible still.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am. First, infection takes place.
Okay.
Uh, then the RNA gets involved
RNA gets.
into the cell.
Okay. During this infection stage only, RNA will be entering into the host cell.
Then, ma'am, RNA is converted into DNA by reverse transcriptase.
Okay, very good. Then,
Ma'am, then this DNA goes back, goes into the cell.
already it is inside the cell.
Ma'am, it is all inside cell. This forms new cell.
Again, what you are saying?
Ma'am, RNA is converted into DNA by reverse transcriptase.
Okay.
Ma'am, then
What will be the third step then?
मैम ट्रांसक्रिप्शन होगा.
अभी ट्रांसक्रिप्शन कहाँ होगा?
मैम
Ma'am,
डीएनए
ma'am, viral
ट्रांसलेशन.
DNA attached with the host DNA.
Correct. That will happen. That the viral DNA will get incorporated into the host DNA. Okay. फिर अब क्या होगा उसके
ma'am,
बाद?
what is mean?
वायरल डीएनए जो था ना, मतलब रिवर्स ट्रांसक्रिप्टेज एंजाइम की हेल्प से द डीएनए वायरल डीएनए गॉट वायरल आरएनए गॉट कन्वर्टेड इनटू वायरल डीएनए. अब वायरल डीएनए विल गेट अटैच टू द जेनेटिक मटेरियल ऑफ द होस्ट. मतलब होस्ट के डीएनए के साथ वो वायरल डीएनए कनेक्ट हो, अटैच हो जाएगा. ओके. एंड नाउ जैसा प्रोसेस होस्ट के डीएनए का होगा वही प्रोसेस उसका भी होगा. So when the host DNA will replicate, along with that replication, the viral DNA will also get replicated. Okay, और replication के बाद उसका transcription से वो RNA भी बन जाएगा. Okay, so viral RNA will be formed by the transcription process. Then what will happen after that, Aditya?
Then transcription.
After transcription,
New infected cells were formed.
new
Infected cells.
infected cells मतलब क्या?
Ma'am, these virus infect and other cells.
अभी कहाँ? अभी तो वायरस नया बना ही नहीं. ट्रांसक्रिप्शन के बाद क्या हो रहा है?
ट्रांसलेशन.
Right. Yuvesh, now tell me quickly. After transcription, what will happen, Yuvesh?
Translation.
Translation. So what will happen during this translation process?
Ma'am,
And
the
RNA
RNA
converted to
will
protein.
form the protein.
The RNA will
The
form
protein.
the proteins. So you will find that the viral RNA will be taking over the machinery, and it will guide the machinery ribosomes to make its proteins, and then all those proteins will get assembled to form what then?
new virus infected cells.
अरे इन्फेक्टेड सेल क्यों बोल रहे हो?
New, ma'am, new cells which is
मैम न्यू
the
वायरस
virus
पार्टिकल।
RNA material.
आरएनए मटेरियल भी नहीं बोल सकते, करेक्ट अंजलि। न्यू वायरस पार्टिकल मतलब नए वायरस बन जाते हैं। व्हाट विल बी फॉर्म्ड यूवेश?
Ma'am, new virus particles.
हाँ, मतलब नया वायरस बनेगा। ओके, इन्फेक्टेड सेल तो वही है। फिर जब वायरस पार्टिकल बन जाएगा तो दैट वायरस पार्टिकल विल कम आउट ऑफ द होस्ट सेल बाय द रप्चरिंग ऑफ द सेल। Okay, rupturing of the host cell, and then it will start infecting other cells. So is it very clear to everyone? It's very
Yes, ma'am.
important that how
Ma'am,
the
can you repeat the whole process again?
whole process. Okay, I'm just telling. Listen very carefully, everyone. It's very simple. Just you see the diagram and you write it in your own words. You describe it in your own words. Okay, the RNA, that is the HIV virus is a retrovirus. That way you will write, that only you will explain. The HIV is a retrovirus which is having RNA as a genetic material. This retrovirus infects the host cell. It will enter into the macrophages of the body. Now, what will happen? This viral RNA, when it will attach with the host cell, it will inject inside the host cell its RNA. Now, this RNA will get converted into DNA by the process called reverse transcription in the presence of the enzyme reverse transcriptase. Okay, and then viral DNA is formed. This viral DNA will get incorporated into the host DNA or host genome, and now the transcription will take place and the viral RNA will be formed. New viral RNA is formed. This new viral RNA will make the proteins of its interest. Will make the proteins. What you say, Poonam?
Yes, ma'am.
What you will say will make the proteins of its interest. आदित्य समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, वो अपने इंटरेस्ट का प्रोटीन्स बनाएगा. इट विल टेक ओवर द मशीनरी ऑफ द होस्ट सेल एंड इट विल गाइड द मशीनरी. वो मशीनरी क्या है? मतलब राइबोसोम. ओके, राइबोसोम को गाइड करेगा टू मेक द प्रोटीन्स ऑफ इट्स इंटरेस्ट, एंड देन दोस प्रोटीन्स will get assembled and it will form the new virus particles or new viruses will be produced. Is it very clear? Aditya,
Yes,
any
ma'am.
doubt in any
Yes, ma'am.
any doubt in any step? Okay. And then what will happen? जब बहुत सारे वायरस पार्टिकल्स अंदर बन जाएंगे, बहुत सारे न्यू वायरसेस will be formed, तो host cell will rupture and these virus particles or viruses will come out of the host cell and will be attacking the other cells, will infect the other cells. Very clear?
रप्चर कब होगा मैम? सेल कब रप्चर होगा?
सेल होस्ट सेल रप्चर होगा जब उसके अंदर बहुत सारे वायरस पार्टिकल्स बन जाएंगे. Clear? Very clear to everyone? Astha, very clear?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, okay. So all the steps in the points giving the subheads you will be able to explain?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes,
I said to draw this diagram. Did you all draw it in your notebook, everyone? No. How many have drawn? Aditya drawn or not?
मैम नो.
देखो, काम ना बिल्कुल रेगुलर चलते रहना चाहिए. अब ये मिल तो नहीं पाते हम लोग एंड आई कांट सी योर वर्क, बट यू हैव टू डू इट वेरी सिंसियरली. डिड यू ऑल चेक द syllabus, the new I have sent?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has checked.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So you have seen that which chapters have been deleted. So we'll have to carefully do that way according to the revised syllabus. So eighth topic is there. Okay, now cancer is also there. So now we are starting with the cancer. So put today's date and write down cancer. Acha, can you tell me how much you know about the cancer? So I'm starting with the presentation. Nandini, do you know what is cancer? Nandini, want to tell? Can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now tell me that what is cancer? Anyone has any idea?
Ma'am, overgrowth of cells.
Correct. It is overgrowth of the cells or uncontrolled growth of the cells. ठीक है. Anything else if anyone knows?
Ma'am,
Over destructions of cells.
Any idea about it? उसके बारे में कुछ भी knowledge हो तो you can tell me.
Ma'am, they are abnormal.
Due to carcinogens.
हाँ ठीक है. It is caused due to the carcinogens. Okay. What else you all know?
untreatable,
It is a main
less
cause
treatable.
of global death.
Very good. It cannot be cured. We don't have still the cure. अगर early stages में पता चल जाता है तो then you all know that it can be treated, but you know that it is just suppressing the disease. Okay, and it depends that कितना हो सकता है उसका cure and how long the person can survive. But we find that there is no a proper cure for it. It takes lots of time. Okay, so anyone else want to say something about the cancer?
Ma'am, cobra poison is used in its treatment.
It can be cured through chemotherapy.
Okay, you know that it is cured by chemotherapy. ठीक है. So now I will start with the topic. So this cancer, we have to understand that what is cancer, why is it caused, and what is it actually, what is the cause of the cancer. We'll try to understand that how it is diagnosed and what are the different methods of treatment. So remember, cancer is the uncontrolled growth and division of certain cells of the body tissues. So you can write down, it is the uncontrolled growth and division of certain cells of the body tissues. Body tissues. Now remember, very important thing, it is given in the textbook also. One term is given, that is contact inhibition. Now remember children, when at a particular place the number of the cells are present, because of their presence or their contact only, the other cells are stopped from dividing. मतलब अगर एक पर्टिकुलर नंबर के सेल्स बन चुके हैं तो एक बॉडी में मैकेनिज्म है कि वो और उन सेल्स को मल्टीप्लाई नहीं होने देता, एंड दैट ओनली वी कॉल इट एज कॉन्टैक्ट इनहिबिशन. that there is a breakdown of, so in the cancer क्या होगा, ये जो mechanism है ये impair हो जाएगा, and that mechanism of carrying out the cell division in controlled manner is known as contact inhibition mechanism. Did you understand what is contact inhibition mechanism?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Contact inhibition mechanism is that by the help of that mechanism, the cells which are in contact with the other cells, they will inhibit their uncontrolled growth. Did you get it? Neighboring cells का uncontrolled growth रुक जाएगा. That is the mechanism known as contact inhibition. Inhibition word meaning inhibiting, और कांटेक्ट में आने वाले सेल्स का मतलब हर सेल क्या करता है, अपने कांटेक्ट में आने वाले सेल का अनकंट्रोल्ड ग्रोथ होने नहीं देता. That is a normal mechanism known as contact inhibition. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's given very nicely in the book. You can mark it there that by virtue of which contact, it is a property called contact inhibition. All the normal cells are having this property of contact inhibition, due to which the contact with other cells inhibits their uncontrolled growth. कि हर सेल अपने कांटेक्ट में आने वाले सेल का अनकंट्रोल्ड ग्रोथ होने नहीं देगा. Did you follow this match?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what will happen? अब in cancer problem, in cancer disease क्या होता है, ये contact inhibition mechanism is destroyed. The contact inhibition, which is a very normal property of all the normal cells, which is a natural property of all the normal cells, this property, this inhibition mechanism will be
destroyed.
destroyed. So what will happen? Uncontrolled growth होने लगेगी. जो सेल्स है वो अनकंट्रोल्ड ग्रोथ होने, अनकंट्रोल्ड ग्रोथ होना मतलब अनकंट्रोल्ड सेल डिवीजन होना. जल्दी जल्दी वो सेल्स डिवाइड होते जाएंगे एट अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस ओनली. एंड व्हेन एट अ पर्टिकुलर प्लेस द सेल्स will divide continuously, you will find large number of cells will be formed. Okay, and that large number of cells, when they will be formed, they will form a lump at a place. And that lump of cells only we call it as a tumor. What is it known as?
Tumor.
So the mass of the cells which will be formed at a particular place due to the uncontrolled cell division, which is caused due to the breakdown of the regulatory mechanism, which is caused due to the, speak up children.
Breakdown of regulatory
Breakdown.
And tell me, what is that regulatory mechanism?
Contact inhibition.
What is that regulatory mechanism of the normal cells? Contact
Contact
inhibition.
inhibition.
तो बात कॉन्टैक्ट इनहिबिशन अच्छे से समझ में आ गया कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है ना, कि एक सेल अपने आसपास के सेल्स को अनकंट्रोल्ड वे में डिवाइड होने नहीं देता. फॉलोड, उसको अनकंट्रोल्ड वे में डिवाइड होने नहीं देता. That is a normal mechanism. But in the cancer, what will happen? There will be breakdown of this regulatory mechanism of contact inhibition. So there will be a rapid cell division or uncontrolled growth will be there, and mass of cells will be formed. And what is that mass of cells called?
Tumor.
Tumor. Okay. Now we will do the types of tumor. Now write down types of tumor.
Definition of tumor.
Tumor, mass of cells. Okay, tumors are what? They are the mass of cells at a particular place. That only we call it as tumors. Okay, now what are the two types of tumors? Remember, number one, it is the benign tumor. You can note down BENIGN, benign tumors. BENIGN, benign tumors. So what are benign tumors? In these tumors, the cells they remain at a confined location. मतलब जहाँ वो mass of cells बना है वो cells वहाँ ही रहेंगे. Okay, so that is located or that is remaining at its original location. They do not spread in other parts of the body. Did you get it? Everyone, benign tumor is what? It will be confined to their original location and they do not spread to other parts of the body. So this is not harmful. It will cause very less damage. क्योंकि वो एक जगह जहाँ बना था वो वहाँ ही रहेगा. तो ट्यूमर होता है कि कई बार बॉडी में कई जगह ऐसे मास ऑफ द सेल्स रहते हैं, दे आर थ्रू आउट द लाइफ बट दे विल नॉट कॉज एनी हार्म. फॉलोड?
Yes, ma'am.
Such tumors will not cause any harm. So they are known as benign tumors. But the second type is harmful, which you call it as the cancer tumors. They are known as malignant tumors. Malignant, MALIGNANT. Malignant tumors.
Spelling.
MALIG. Malignant tumors. Malignant tumors. Malignant tumors. Did you get it? Understand everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Tumors. Okay, malignant tumors are what now? They are those tumors which show the process of metastasis. You write down. They show the process of metastasis. They show the process or the property of. You write down. They show the process property of metastasis. Now, what does it mean? That these cells, they will not be confined to their original location. Okay, the cells of this tumor will not be confined to their original location. They will spread to other parts of the body. They spread to other parts of the body. So such cells we call it as neoplastic cells, children. What are the cells of these malignant tumors called? Cells of these malignant tumors are known as neoplastic cells. Neoplastic cells. Did you understand? You all can see the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
You all can get the spellings also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So malignant tumors have got such cells which can proliferate. मतलब वो separate हो सकते, they can proliferate and they will be going to the other parts of the body. They spread to other parts of the body, and such cells we call it as neoplastic cells. And this process of spread, this property of spreading to other parts of the body, we call it as metastasis. What is it known as?
Metastasis.
Very rapidly. Remember, these neoplastic cells will grow very rapidly and they will invade and damage the surrounding normal cells. They grow very rapidly and they will invade and damage the surrounding neighboring cells. वो उसी जगह पर नहीं रहेंगे. They will proliferate. Is it clear to everyone? Noted also? All of you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now who will tell me what are the two types of tumors? What are the two types of tumors? Who will initiate? You wish try. You wish?
Ma'am, benign tumors and malignant tumors.
Okay. What are benign tumors?
Ma'am, these are the tumor cell which do not which gets stuck to their original position.
Okay. And so what you
And
mean to
other
say?
are malignant tumors. Yes, ma'am.
What you mean to say by that?
Ma'am, they confine to their original location. They do not move. They are not. These cells are not mobile and they are stuck at a specific location.
Okay. So they will not go to. They will not spread in other parts of the body. Okay.
Yes,
Clarify
and
that.
it causes little damage.
Very good. Then what is the other type? तो इनको हम
Ma'am, the
non-cancer
other type is malignant tumor.
हाँ
Ma'am, they show metastasis.
हाँ
Ma'am, metastasis means they
metastasis.
do not get confined to their original location. They will get uh, they are mobile and get also infect other cells
हाँ
due to its movement.
they infect other cells नहीं बोलते अपन क्या
They
बोलोगे
will damage other cells.
नहीं what they will do anyone else can you tell me how you have to express
Ma'am, they will invade and damage surrounding normal cells.
वो वाले cells proliferate होके जहाँ पहुँचेंगे ना they will destroy the mechanism of contact inhibition of those cells also. Are you getting? क्या करेंगे ये न्यूरोप्लास्टिक सेल दूसरे जगह पहुंच के?
destroy the contact inhibition
mechanism. हाँ, they will regulatory mechanism जो है उसको खत्म कर देंगे, contact inhibition mechanism को खत्म कर दे, break down that mechanism. तो फिर क्या होगा उधर पर?
उधर ही मैम कैंसर सेल्स भी जाएंगे,
उधर भी वो मल्टीप्लाई होने लगेंगे, अनकंट्रोल्ड सेल डिवीजन उन सेल्स का भी होने लगेगा. इज इट वेरी क्लियर?
yes मैम.
So write it in your own words, children. Okay, you have to understand and you have to write it in your own words. First you understand what is actually happening. समझ में आ गया युवेश? क्लियर टू यू? ओके, वो जल्दी
Yes,
जल्दी
ma'am.
ग्रोथ के बहुत सारे अलग अलग बॉडी पार्ट्स में भी पहुंच जाते हैं. They will destroy, they'll break down the contact inhibition mechanism of those cells also. They will also start the uncontrolled division and there also malignant tumors will be formed. Is it very clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are these cells called?
Neoplastic cells.
Neoplastic cells. Is it clear to everyone?
yes
Ma'am.
Okay. So now
Ma'am.
that's why what happens that you find that once the person suffers from cancer, कुछ समय तक बहुत अच्छा सा ट्रीटमेंट हो जाता है, सब हो जाता है, बट यू डोंट नो कि सम सेल्स हैव स्लॉग्ड, मतलब कुछ सेल्स वहां से सेपरेट होकर कहीं दूसरी बॉडी पार्ट में पहुंच चुके हैं. ओके, एंड देयर आल्सो दे हैव ब्रोकन द कॉन्टैक्ट इनहिबिशन मैकेनिज्म. तो वहां पर भी वो डैमेज कॉज करने लगेंगे. और डैमेज कॉज करना मतलब क्या डैमेज कॉज किया उनने?
contact inhibition mechanism.
Destroy the mechanism of contact.
हाँ, उनने क्या डैमेज किया? दे हैव डिस्ट्रॉयड द
Contact inhibition.
हाँ, regulatory mechanism. Very good. They have destroyed, they have broken down the regulatory mechanism of contact inhibition. You'll be able to write it in a very good language. You'll be able to express, children, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so shall I take up the next thing? हाँ, okay, so you will find that these normal cells ना, अब उनके कारण क्या होगा? नॉर्मल उनकी ग्रोथ तो बहुत फास्ट होती है, तो उन सेल्स वो सेल्स क्या करेंगे? दे विल टेक अप द न्यूट्रिएंट्स, दे विल टेक अप न्यूट्रिएंट्स, एंड देन अदर सेल्स जो दूसरे नॉर्मल सेल्स हैं, दे विल स्टार्व फॉर द न्यूट्रिएंट्स, एंड दैट वे यू फाइंड द प्रॉब्लम कम्स एंड सारी बॉडी के सेल्स, एंड that's why it grows also very fast. The cancer damages very fast. Okay, so two types of the tumors we have, that malignant tumors and the
Benign.
Benign.
which one is cancerous?
Malignant.
Malignant.
याद रखना, benign tumor cancerous नहीं है. Malignant tumors are the cancerous tumors. Okay, now we come to the, see here there are different types of cancers depending on the affected tissues. Okay, and the causes of the cancers we call it as the carcinogens. So you can write down cause of the cancers number. So the causes have been divided to physical, chemical and biological. Okay, what are they? Physical causes are there, chemical causes are there, and the biological causes are there. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Physical causes will include what? That is the all radiations and all. Okay, your X-rays, gamma rays, and non-ionizing radiations like the UV rays, they come under the physical. Okay, they come under the physical carcinogens. Okay, and chemical will be what? We all know what are the different chemicals. अब बताओ, आप common you know that what is the cause of the cancer? Very good, tobacco. Smoking करना, all that what you are nowadays, all small children are also eating that you call गुटखा. Okay, ये सारी चीजें, ये सब इनमें कैसा केमिकल है? That it has got the carcinogenic chemical. Okay, it is having
Carcinogen.
Carcinogenic.
Chemical. Okay, and what these carcinogens will do?
Ma'am, they
जल्दी
Cause cancer.
अरे नहीं बाबा, ये तो हर कोई यही बोलेगा. You biology students will tell what?
destroy the contact inhibition mechanism.
Very good. They destroy the contact inhibition mechanism of the normal cells. And you followed what is this contact inhibition mechanism?
Ma'am, it doesn't allow cells to get collected at single place.
नहीं, क्या बोलोगे फिर से?
Ma'am, it
हाँ,
Ma'am, it
inhibits
inhibits.
cells to overgrowth at a common
Ma'am,
age.
it inhibits the cell to undergo
Ma'am,
division.
it will inhibit the cell to.
Cell division.
तो कॉन्टैक्ट इनहिबिशन ब्रेक हो गया, इसका मतलब क्या?
मैम इसका मतलब कि वो सेल्स की प्रॉपर्टी थी कि ना
Development of
Ma'am, cells की growth को रोक देगा. Inhibits the growth of the cells. Other cells.
मैम बढ़ा देगा.
कॉन्टैक्ट इनहिबिशन खत्म हो गया तो क्या होगा?
Increase.
हाँ, ओके. अनकंट्रोल्ड ग्रोथ होगी. याद रखो, कॉन्टैक्ट इनहिबिशन मैकेनिज्म ब्रेक हो गया मतलब अनकंट्रोल्ड ग्रोथ होगी. ओके, और जब तक कॉन्टैक्ट इनहिबिशन का मैकेनिज्म है तो अनकंट्रोल्ड ग्रोथ नहीं होगी. वेरी क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, okay. So now we have done the physical carcinogens, chemical carcinogens, and the other one, the biological agents are there. So for the biological agents, remember they are the viruses. Okay, so some viral oncogenes are there. Okay, and some cellular oncogenes are there. We also call it as proto-oncogenes. So ये कुछ क्या है? Living organisms are there which also cause the cancer, and they are known as oncogenic viruses. What you call them? Oncogenic viruses. So this will come under your biological agents. So cause of cancer you'll be able to write down, everyone. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we come to the detection. That how the cancer can be detected and diagnosed. But before that, you can see here in the slide is showing the types. So carcinomas affect the epithelial tissue. Then sarcomas, which affect the connective tissues. Okay, so what are they? The lymph nodes, the bone, or the muscle tumors. Okay, then epithelial tissues will include the breast cancer, lung cancer, and cancer of the pancreas and stomach. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then lymphomas. So the name itself is telling us it will be affecting the lymphatic tissues. So this will be of the, that is the cancer of the lymph nodes and the spleen. And leukemia, everyone knows, it is known as, commonly known as what? Leukemia?
Blood cancer.
Ah, very good. It is blood cancer. Okay, so characterized by excessive WBCs. इसमें क्या होते हैं? WBCs, you know, they should also be present in the blood in a normal range of WBCs. Okay, there is a range. इतने से इतने तक ही WBCs होने चाहिए. उससे कम हो गए तो भी प्रॉब्लम है, ज्यादा हो गए तो भी प्रॉब्लम है. ओके, तो अगर WBCs excessively increase हो गए, so then what is the problem? What is the problem then?
Leukemia.
Leukemia. So body cannot fight infections as the WBCs, they will be abnormal or immature. Okay, now lipoma. So lipo word coming from lipids. And lipid we find that which tissues store the fats? Adipose tissue. So adipose tissue will be affected. So subcutaneous tumors are there in different parts of the body. They all come under. So this way, on the basis of which tissues are affected, they are of how many types?
5 types.
Five types.
Okay. So shall I take up now next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So carcinogens we have done, ionizing radiations we discussed, the chemical agents. You can write down the chemical names here: caffeine, nicotine. Okay, you can add up what you have noted. Caffeine, nicotine. In cigarettes, tobacco, high exposure to the polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. ये प्लास्टिक के जलने से भी जो केमिकल निकलता है, that also is said to cause the cancer. Okay, and then Epstein-Barr viruses and the herpes simplex type 2 viruses they have given. You can note down the names if you wish. Okay, then physical irritants, so we have done. Yes, yes.
मैम एक्सेसिव यूज ऑफ फर्टिलाइजर भी केमिकल्स एजेंट में ही आएगा ना?
हाँ, वो भी केमिकल एजेंट में, इसलिए तो अपन बोलते हैं कि फर्टिलाइजर्स भी ज़्यादा नहीं, क्योंकि अगर वो डिफ्यूज हो जाएगा ईटेबल्स में तो दैट विल आल्सो कॉज अ प्रॉब्लम.
यस
Okay, so
मैम.
repeated physical irritation of the tissues, abrasion of body tissues, that also leads to cancer. This all will come under the physical. Okay, और radiations अपन ने वो भी इसमें include किया है. So how it is detected and how it is treated. So for the detection, the different diagnostic techniques are there. So number one, biopsy. What you write down? Biopsy. That will come under histopathology methods. So biopsy. So in the biopsy, the cells of those tumors are taken and then they are tested, and then the blood tests are done. Okay, bone marrow testing is done. So biopsy, then bone marrow test. So bone marrow test will tell us that WBC's number is increasing or not. So this is actually done in the case of which cancer?
Leukemias.
Leukemia. Okay, and in biopsy, the piece of those tissues will be cut into thin sections. They are stained and then they are examined microscopically. Okay, by tomography. Then another technique is there, that is radiography. Radiography. So in the radiography, that is X-rays are used. X-rays are used in radiography. And then CT scanning, you all know, that is the computed tomography. And MRI you all have heard, that is magnetic resonance imaging. MRI, magnetic resonance imaging. You all know magnetic resonance
Ma'am, what is
imaging.
immunotherapy?
Resonance imaging.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, what is immunotherapy?
louder.
Ma'am, what is immunotherapy?
Immunotherapy. Therapy will come in the treatment part. Okay, let us first talk about the detection, diagnostic techniques. Okay, I'll take up just now. Okay, then DNA probe analysis is there, tumor markers are there. Done, all of you all? What are the diagnostic techniques? Everyone has noted. In the MRI, strong, that is magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, the strong magnetic fields are used and the accurate detection is done. So there is another method, that is antibodies are also used for detecting the specific cancer specific antigens. Okay, antibodies are used. That is also one method of diagnosing the cancer. Now we come to the treatment of cancer. So how it is treated? Number one, write down surgery. Number one, surgery. So surgery, you all know that those cancer affected cells, they will be removed. The tumors will be removed. Okay, then another one is the radiotherapy. Okay, that is radiation therapy. Radiation therapy. You can note down. So in the radiation therapy, the radiations are given, which will be killing the cancer cells. Then immunotherapy. So immunotherapy in this one, remember what will be done? The antibodies will be given, which will be destroying the cancer cells. Immuno is related to your immune system. So antibodies will be given. Then the other one is the chemotherapy. In this chemotherapy, some drugs are given to kill the cancerous cells. But the chemotherapy
हमने
always,
इतना
yes, in the chemotherapy, some you have seen that what happens if the person is given the chemotherapy, what are the side effects? What are the side effects?
Hair losses.
Not getting.
Hair losses.
Hair loss will be there, anemia will be there. Okay, so these are the problems. So generally, you know that all the there is a combination of the treatment given. Okay, one only will not be given. Surgery is done, so then chemotherapy is also
और मैम
given.
हार्मोन थेरेपी
ओके, रेडिएशन थेरेपी भी देते हैं, तो दो तीन का एक साथ ट्रीटमेंट, दो थेरेपी अलग अलग यूज करके
मैम
ट्रीटमेंट
हार्मोन
किया
थेरेपी
जाता है. यस.
हार्मोन थेरेपी
Hormone therapy is also there. Means they must be given some hormones which will stop the in that uncontrolled growth, which will stop the uncontrolled growth of the cells. Okay, so tumor cells, you will find that they will be destroyed by these all methods. So in the immune one, you can write down about the alpha interferons. Okay, so biological, some modifiers are also given to the patients. That is the alpha interferons, which will activate the immune system. Immune system, that in the immunotherapy, some response modifiers are given. And what are those response modifiers? The interferons. So these interferons will activate the immune system of the body and they will destroy the tumors. So clear to everyone, with this we finish up the cancer topic.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this we'll do it later. So it's all
आस्था तू क्या बोल रही थी?
अंजलि, आस्था,
अरे आज तो थोड़ा ना बोल रही थी, शायद पूनम बोल रही थी।
इधर मत बात करो, इधर मत बात करो।
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है।